Hey, what's up? Wanna grab a drink?
Oh, I wish. Having a rough day at work. Still stuck here. Can't seem to get anything done, you know? I'm always behind on repairs, losing track of parts, and clients keep calling non-stop to check on their devices. My head's spinning with stress.
Oh man, that sounds tough. I had no idea you were dealing with all that. But hey, I saw something that might make life a little bit easier for you.
Really? What do you mean?
I came across this amazing repair shop management software called Finty. It's tailored for mobile and laptop repair people just like us. You can easily issue repair tickets, manage finances, and handle invoices hassle-free on your phone or laptop, anytime, anywhere. Plus, clients can track their device status online, saving you tons of time on calls. It's been a game changer for me.
Sounds good, but I can't afford too much right now. Won't it break the bank?
Not at all. It's only $10 a month.
Wow, that's actually great. Where can I download it?
No need to download anything. It's all web-based. Just head to finty.co and you can sign up for a 30-day free trial. Definitely worth trying. I know you'll love it.
Awesome. I'm sold. Gonna go check it out right now. Thanks for that.